Here we are. Tummy time. Hello, tummy time girl. Hi, Liliana. Hi. Do you know how to push up, up, up? Do you know how to push? Yeah. Wow. So strong, baby girl. Oh. Hi-ho. Oh, there goes that big head. There goes that big head. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh. You're gonna go off the table, boo-boo. You're gonna go off the table. Hi, gorgeous. Hi. Hi, Lily. Hi, Liliana. Hi, baby girl. Hi. You shine so hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dee, 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 dee. Okay, you want to roll over? Oh. Yeah. You eating your Peppa doll? Oh, there's that leg coming up. Are you going to crawl off this table? Oh, you can try the other way? You can try the other way? Wow, good job. Okay, I'm gonna roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Can you switch around? Switch everything around? And get this arm under? Not quite? Ah! Now you're on your side. There! You did it! Yay! And we got all kinds of things to look at up here. Wow! Way to go, Lily! You did it! Hey, my Lily girl? You too. Oh! Oh dear! Oh! Oh my! Oh my! That's a lot of species. I'm gonna roll over again. Honey vibrates. Ooh. Look at that big belly on you. Look at that big belly. Got your bumblebee. Got your bumblebee. Yeah. Can you get that bumblebee? Can you get it? Oh. It's like a little kitten playing with a ball of yarn. Yeah, one hand on your toe, one hand on your toy. Can you get it? You might need two hands, Lily. Oh, there we go. Oh. Do you have it? Oh, get it. You're trying so hard. Ha! what you're going to do with that. Right? Now what you're going to do. Oh, there's those toes. Oh, what else is up there? Oh, you got your caterpillar and your lion. Oh. And we got your bunny. Yeah. Now what, Mr. Sheep? Do, 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 do. Shall we put some clothes on so you don't catch a chill? It's March 29th and we had snow last night. Yep. We just finished walking the dog from ballet and the snow flurries started. And there's enough on the ground to wear your boots today. And we had to scrape off the car. Yep. Winter's still here. Even though we had summer last week. For 3 days we had glorious summer. You see her toys up there. You want this one? Oh my goodness, you're busy. Oh my goodness, you're busy. Yeah. You a busy girl? Oh, who's that? Hi, baby. We're gonna get dressed so Mom can go have some coffee, maybe make an omelet, have a piece of toast, call your dad on the phone. What do you think? What do you think? You got me by the hair, busy fingers. You busy fingers? I love you. I love you, Liliana. Oh, what's in there? I think there's a squeak in there somewhere. Russell really likes Liliana's toys that have squeaks in them. He thinks they must be doggy toys. They must be doggy toys. Oh, and it's got that weird crinkly stuff. Ooh. Exciting. But not as great as my feet. Yep, you love those feet. You love those feet. Oh, can you eat those antennae? Can you eat them? Oh, that doesn't taste good, does it? No. Chew, chew, chew. She drools an awful lot, so we keep thinking teeth are coming, but no teeth yet. No teeth yet. Bye, Doodle Bear. Okay, say bye to everybody. Say bye, Grandma. Bye, Grandpa. Bye, cousins. Our cousins Georgia, Hannah, and Felix are on their March break, so they're having all kinds of fun. Great toy. Woo.